In my previous video, I talked about the mind, spirit, and soul and how they distinguish themselves from each other. Now, there are two factors that I missed out in that video, which is the brain and the body. Now, it's important to remember the brain, body, mind, soul, and spirit all work as a unit. They all work as one whole system. They all work holistically. So I'll start with the body. Where does the body fit in all this? The body is one big sensory machine. It senses your outer reality. It senses the raw data, the raw information from the 3D world, the physical world, the material world through our five senses. Now, I don't believe we just have five senses. I think we have more, but from what humans accept, um, we like to tend to think that we have five senses, right? So we use our five senses to receive information from the material world. So you use your eyes for sight, your nose for smell, your mouth for taste, your ears for hearing, listening, and your skin for touch. So these are your five senses. And whatever you sense through this data and raw information from the 3D world, the material world, the physical world, this information gets sent to the brain for you to process. Your brain is a processor and an organizer. So your brain will take that raw information, that raw data from the 3D world, the material world, the physical world, and organize them. And then it's going to process the information by interpreting the information, and you start to form a picture of the 3D reality itself. And then from there, this is where your experience is formed. And depending on how you interpret the information, how you interpret the raw data, is how you're going to experience life, how you're going to experience the material world, how you're going to experience the 3D world. Because how you interpret life is going to form your thoughts. And from thoughts, feelings and emotions arise. And through this whole process, your spirit is the witness, the observer, and the awareness of this whole big process. Now, this whole big process is going to become a loop, because now you're going to react. Either you're going to react unconsciously or you're going to respond consciously. You're going to react or respond unconsciously or consciously through your actions. And what is to act? To act is to create. And when we create, we use our bodies. So I'll summarize the whole process again. You are taking in information from the outer world, you're processing the information, and you're also sending information to the external world. You're sending information back into the physical world, the material world, the 3D realm. So you, in a sense, your body, your brain becomes a layer, a border, or a barrier between your inner world and the outer world, your outer world and the inner world.